Roadmap enlarges its facility on hotel management system with enhanced privilege of front office and back office. Back office embedded with purchase, inventory and sales. Now we are going to see about inventory. In stocks, the item 1009 contains 70 number of stock quantity. Now we are going to see about purchase request flow. In purchase request, we are going to give the reference details for purchase request, item details from item list and its quantity and unit cost. After entering the required field, save the document and confirm it. The confirmed document goes to PO conversion. Select the particular request and choose the supplier from whom the purchase is going to be made. After pressing the create PO button, the request will be converted to purchase order. Now we are viewing the in-process quantity and balance quantity. The created purchase order will be viewed in new status. After checking the fields, save the document and confirm button. The confirmed purchase order goes to goods receipt note. By selecting the particular order and by pressing the create receipt, the document will move to good receipt note tab. Here we can view the details. The accepted quantity will be received in particular stocks. A purchase return document will be created on rejection quantity. After selecting the particular document and by clicking the create return button, the document will move to purchase return tab. Here we can view the details, and by giving the reference and by clicking the return button, and the particular quantity will be returned to the supplier. The stock screen shows the variance in quantity. Let us see about the functions of consume. For consume, by entering the required field, warehouse field details from warehouse list, reference details for consume, item details from item list. Consume quantity should be lower than the stock quantity. After saving the document and confirming, now the item will be decreased in stocks and the item consumed to the required hotel. Now let us see about the functions of material transfer. From warehouse field details from warehouse list, item details from item list for what are all the items going to transfer. To warehouse details from warehouse list, what are all the items going to get transferred. After entering the required field and saving the document, and by clicking the post, now the required item will be transferred to from warehouse to required to warehouse. Now let us see about functions of sales invoice. To create invoice, by entering the required field, customer details from the customer list, reference details for sales invoice, item details from item list, its EOM and warehouse following with quantity and unit cost. After entering the required field, save the document. Here we can check the details, and by pressing the invoice button, now the item will be decreased from the stocks on default warehouse.